So we stayed in this hotel for 3 days to explore Hua Hin.
Tell me what you have to go and drive me so crazy.
And we're going south now. We're gonna take the train, and I don't know where we're gonna end up yet. We are at Hua Hin station now. This is also one of the sightseeing places here in Hua Hin. And today we're going to Thongka. It's, I think, 4 or 5 hours train ride to the south. Then we had to pay 100 baht. So that's very cheap. And this is really, I think, a local train. Every stop you don't see tourists, none. And the villages are also non-touristic. Yeah, so I don't know where we're going. It will be a big surprise, but I think it's not a place designed for tourists. So I hope we find a decent hotel and we can find something to eat, of course. About the train ride, to see that there were little villages and there was nothing much there, but we're now in Chumphon. I don't know how you pronounce it, but there is even a tourist information office. I don't know if you saw, but just behind there.